Hi there, frogs. So today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about addition and subtraction of fractions, focusing on work from earlier this week just to clear up any loose ends. So the important thing to remember is our numerators and denominators. When we're adding and subtracting fractions, the denominators stay the same if they are the same. It's the numerators shown here in orange that change. So with my example here, I've got 2/4 of a pizza and 1/4 of a pizza. If I put those two together, I've still got quarters of pizza, but I end up with 3, because 2/4 and 1/4 is 3, and they're still in quarters, so it's 3/4 of a pizza. Now what does happen is we can go to fractions where the numbers get a little larger. In this instance, we're in 14ths. If I do 11/14ths, add 2/14ths, 11 add 2 is 13, and I'm still in 14ths. So it goes like that. Now, if I was to add a bit more, say I'd split up my cake into 14ths. If I added 3/14ths, for example, to my calculation, then I come up with something called a mixed number or improper fraction as my answer. So if we did 13/14ths, add 3/14ths, we do the same thing. 13 add 3 is 16. Then we put a fraction line, and we've got it as 14ths. Now in the real world, I can't have 16 out of 14 slices of cake, so we call it a mixed number fraction. So I would have one whole piece of cake, and that would leave me with another cake, and it would be 2 parts. So 1 whole and 2/14ths. That leads us very neatly onto this problem down here. So if I've got 12/7 as my example, it's like saying, what is that actually worth? Well, we've still got sevenths down here, okay? So I would have 7/7. I would then need to do what's 12 subtract 7. It's going to leave me 5/7. So 7/7 add 5/7 is the same as saying 1 whole, which is 7/7, and then 5/7 as my fraction. And that's what we refer to as a mixed number fraction. Whether it's addition or subtraction, it would work in the same way. I hope this helps with your understanding and learning for today, and for the lessons you've had just to clear things up over the last couple of days. Thank you for watching, and speak to you all soon.